After the girls eat dinner, it's time to start the bedtime bath time routine, better known as our weekday evening routine. And I do not play about bath time and bedtime, honey. It's bedtime. Let's go. So we basically just pull out their pajamas and lay it out on the bed. Pajamas, socks, pull up. My husband and I do share bath duty, so this night he was the one giving them their bath. And right here, he's talking our oldest daughter down because he had to clean up a cut that was on her toe, and she was a little bit upset about that. And then there you can see Luna rolling out the bed because she doesn't want to get in the bed. Of course, have to retuck her in. I know so much that y'all can relate to this because it's literally every night, like a few times a night, we have to retuck Luna in. And then it's time for goodnight kisses and lights out. Right now I'm cutting up some potatoes. That is basically going to be our lunch for the next day. And oh my God, when I was looking at this, all I could think to myself was, Jessica, you need to learn how to cut better. I mean, I literally look like I'm about to cut my finger. So then after the potatoes are cut up, I'm just going to boil them until they are soft. So while the potatoes are boiling, I'm lining the sheet with some aluminum foil because when they're done boiling, I'm going to put them in here and then put them in the oven. So yeah, I'm just lining this pan right now. And then when I'm done lining the pan, I'm gonna cut up this smoked sausage. And I was thinking the same thing I was thinking with the potatoes. Jessica, you need to learn how to cut better. I mean, I guess this isn't terrible, but the potatoes, I was about to cut my finger off. Okay, so the pan is ready for the smoked sausage. I'm just sprinkling in a little bit of avocado oil. And then the potatoes were done. So then I put them in this pan and I'm smashing them up. So I'm just like flattening them out with a fork. And then I'm going to go in after that is done and season it with some salt, pepper, and garlic. And I'm going to put it in the oven so that they're like kind of crispy. I don't know what you call this. It's like a smashed potato situation. And when the smoked sausage is almost all the way done, I'm like ripping up some spinach to put on top so that we can have some vegetables with our lunch. I do like eating raw spinach, but especially with sausage, like sausage and rice or sausage and potatoes, I like it to be kind of wilted up. So I just sprinkle that in there and I'm mixing it up. And then I realize, of course, the spinach is shrinking. So then you'll see me add some more in a little bit. And the pan is getting too hot, so I'm moving it off the burner and sprinkling in and like stirring up, folding in the rest of that spinach. So yeah, just moving it around, getting the spinach hot. I don't want it like super wilted, but like I do want it wilted. I don't know if that makes sense. This is what the potatoes look like, nice and golden and crispy. And then this is me making my little lunch plate bowl. And then when dinner was done, my husband and I sat down and actually ate our dinner. And then he got on the game. And then here I am getting into my little reading corner and opening up a book and doing a little bit of reading. Then whenever I'm done reading, I clean up the kitchen right quick and make my way upstairs to take my shower and go to bed.